Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best IKEA mattress on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Mellow MLGM10T IKEA Mattress. The Mellow 10-inch memory foam mattress is flat out cheap and offers super quality. Buying at Mellow gives you the peace of mind in knowing that your mattress is made in the USA with quality Certiper US certified foam. Mellow uses a gel memory foam layer over a base layer of high-density foam, providing the support that your body needs. The Mellow provides an optimum sleep temperature year-round, features breathable fabrics, and is Ecotech certified for its eco-friendly production. This queen mattress is made with layers of Certiper US certified foam that are free of harmful chemicals and are made in the USA. An eco cover made of Ecotech certified material and bamboo charcoal fabric helps you sleep cool and breathe easy all night long. If sitting on a hard floor is getting to be too much, the Mellow mattress is a great way to add support and comfort to your IKEA mattress without breaking the bank. Number 4. Novilla NV0M800-112Q IKEA Mattress. Novilla NV0M800-112Q mattress features a medium firm feel with motion isolating for its 12-inch memory foam that provides a cool sleep and pressure relief. The Novilla mattress is ideal for those who sleep on their side or back. Made from a reversible 4-side open coil spring unit, this 12-inch gel memory foam mattress provides a firm feel and a motion-isolating motion transfer. Side sleepers need mattresses that keep their spine aligned throughout the night, and the open coil design of the Novilla 12-inch memory foam mattress helps to reduce pressure points and keep your spine properly aligned, while the medium firm feel cushions the body. The Novilla mattress sleeps cool because gel-infused memory foam offers a layer of pressure relief, while the open coil spring unit helps to ensure proper spinal alignment. The tri-layer polyester cover is easy to keep clean and maintain, with a 10-year limited warranty on all components of the mattress. Number 3. LUCID IKEA Mattress. LUCID 5-inch memory foam mattress comes in 3 different firmness levels. This mattress is made of 5-inch premium V-foam that has a high density for maximum support. V-foam is infused with to give it added rebound. The is an open cell structure that will allow air to flow in and out easily while still providing the support body needs. The mattress is made with a bamboo charcoal fabric cover, which is a natural, that is comfortable and hypoallergenic. The cover is antimicrobial and helps to prevent allergens and dust mite. The mattress also has a foaming casement that is made of an open cell structure that will allow air to flow in and out easily while still providing the support body needs. The mattress is of great quality and has a low profile, making it easy to use it in any beds. The mattress is of great quality and has a low profile, making it easy to use it in any beds. Number 2. Zinus IKEA Mattress. Zinus memory foam mattresses give you that luxurious, expensive feel at a great price. Just like our other mattresses, the Zinus memory foam mattress is Certiper US certified, which means it carries no harmful chemicals and is safe for you and your family. This mattress is a great value, with 2-sided design for the best sleep of your life. Choose the soft side for a relaxed sleep, the firmer side for a deeper sleep. Pick your favorite and enjoy. The mattress is available in twin XL, full, queen, king, and California king sizes. You can buy this product as a traditional mattress or a bed in a box with a bed frame to ensure you can use it right away. The mattress is shipped compressed and rolled to help you save on shipping fees. The mattress arrives within 3 to 5 business days of order placement, and the box is super easy to unpack and set up. Number 1. Linenspa IKEA Mattress. The Linenspa gel memory foam mattress is designed for the back and the side sleeper. Offering exceptional support and comfort, the gel memory foam mattress helps relieve pressure from joints to reduce tossing and turning and improve sleep. This mattress is made from 8 inches of gel memory foam, creating a plush and pressure-relieving surface. Gel memory foam is infused with gel beads for increased cooling performance, pressure relief, and durability. The micro-vented design of the foam also increases airflow, so the mattress stays cooler. The mattress is made of 4 inches of memory foam and 4 inches of polyurethane foam. A breathable knit fabric cover allows airflow and ensures a long-lasting mattress. This foam is very soft and will keep you cozy. At the same time, it will keep of any pressure on your body and keep you firm. The mattress has a layer of fiber which is very durable. That fiber will provide you with a long-lasting mattress. This mattress is made out of IKEA's patented foam technology, which will help you get the right support. You can sleep peacefully with this mattress. It is made in America. The mattress is waterproof. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.